artist. Welcome to Teddy's Thuriga Art. Today we are going to draw golden fish tutorial. So shall we start? Are you ready? Yes. Now take your paper and draw an oval and fill with your sketch pen the eyes. Now it's a curved line and then another curved line and join the line with the mouth. Now we are going to draw the body. It should be a curved line like a long lemon shape. And you curve on the middle body and then on the top it's an even curve line and here it's a U curve and join the line. Now it's an F stroke. Yes, both the sides it's F stroke and join the line. And for the bubbles, make a circle. Time to bring it to life with color. I am going to use orange color here. It's a vermilion orange. So take your orange and give the boundary lines for the all over the fish. And then everywhere we are giving the strokes with the slanting strokes like this with the orange stroke. Good job! And now I'm going to do light orange to blend with the color. Slowly blend with the color with the slanting stroke. So warm orange color and then the time to move to the orange color and yellow color, sunny yellow color to blend with the color. So if you want more tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Then you can learn more details like this. So take your yellow color to fill all over that. And for the face, I'm going to take light yellow color to fill it. After yellow, it's a lemon yellow. I'm starting with the light to dark sunny colors. So it's a classical golden fish. So I'm using the middle yellow. Now I'm going to take the deep yellow here. So don't forget it. Take your final orange color there to the mix it. For the mouth it's a pink color. Take your blue color for the bubbles. Our fish is swimming happily. And few more bubbles for the background also if you want. I hope you find following along. If you enjoy this easy drawing, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to Teddy's Thuriga Art. Now take your red color to add details. Don't forget it. Now our cute, adorable fish is ready. Now take your black oil pastel to give the outer line all over the boundaries. Be careful with the black color. Give the details with the black color and eyelashes also. Yes, our cute fish is ready.